Why is a decent-looking poker hand often a trap called reverse implied odds? Because calling a bet based only on the current pot ignores future betting rounds. Picture this. You hold a mediocre hand that won't improve, and an aggressive opponent suddenly bets. Comparing their bet to the money in the center makes calling look cheap. But there's a flaw. The future of this hand splits into two heavily asymmetrical paths. On the first path, you actually have the best hand and your opponent is just bluffing. But since they'll eventually give up, you only win the tiny pile currently in the pot. Now remember, your mediocre hand has almost no chance of getting better on future turns. So on the second path, if your opponent actually has a superior hand, they will relentlessly keep betting, forcing you to bleed chips by calling to the end. This asymmetry is the core of reverse implied odds. The true cost isn't the current bet, it's the massive potential future losses stacked against tiny potential gains. So when you're staring down that mediocre hand with no clear way to improve, the only winning move isn't to call and find out. It's to fold immediately before the trap springs.